In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix SEO settings effectively to enhance your website's visibility and performance. Let's begin this journey by opening Google Chrome or any preferred web browser on your device. Once your browser is up and running, type in wix.com in the address bar. Wix, as you know, is a leading cloud-based development platform allowing you to create and manage websites with ease. When the Wix homepage appears, navigate to the upper right corner and click on the login button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials and gain access to your account dashboard. Once logged in, your next step is to head over to the editor by selecting the Edit Site option. This will open up the Wix editor, a space where all the magic happens. On your screen's left panel, focus on the Marketing and SEO option and give it a click. You'll find yourself at the heart of your website's promotional settings. In this section, select SEO from the available options. Here you'll notice a Go to SEO button. Click it. This section is crucial as it houses the features and settings that will optimize your site for search engines. To get started on optimizing, select the Start Setup option that comes up. Next, you will encounter a Get Started button. Clicking this will guide you to the first step of setting up your SEO title, also known as the meta title. It's important to craft a title that is short, clear, and includes your primary keyword, usually between 50 to 60 characters. This title is what search engines and visitors see first, so make it compelling. After you've set your title, move on by clicking Next. Here you will be asked about your business reach. Select the option that best describes how your business serves customers, whether it's nationwide, worldwide, or purely online, through channels like blogs or e-commerce services. Proceed by clicking Next once more, and you will be directed to write your SEO description or meta description. This should be a brief summary packed with relevant keywords, typically within 150 to 160 characters. This description displays beneath your SEO title in search results, offering potential visitors a glimpse into what your site is about. Click Next to finalize this part of the process. Now, Wix will provide you with an SEO setup checklist known as the SEO Whiz. It's designed to guide beginners smoothly through the SEO setup process, offering suggestions and checks to ensure optimal configurations. Lastly, focus on defining your site name and homepage title, which are featured in Google search results, and set your social share settings to dictate the image and text displayed when your link is shared. For those keen on more technical control, explore the robots.txt and meta tag sections for advanced SEO adjustments. By following these steps, you're setting a strong foundation for your website to climb the search engine rankings and attract more visitors organically. Keep these optimizations consistent, and your site will benefit tremendously.